Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss remaining question of exercise 3.3 of class 11th mathematics. So let's begin. First question we have sin square 6x minus cos square 4x equal to sin 2x and sin 10x. Firstly we have to apply the formula for sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. The formula for sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equals to sin a plus b and sin a minus b. That means we have to compare 6x by a and 4x by b. What we get? For sin square 6x and for sin square 4x. Sin 6x plus 4x and sin 6x minus 4x. We get sin 10x and sin 2x. This is our right hand side. Next question we have cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. We have to prove this equals to sin 4x and sin 8x. This apply the formula cos square a minus cos square b is equals to sin b plus a and sin b minus a. What we get? By comparing b equals to 6x and a equals to 2x, we get sin 6x plus 2x and sin 6x minus 2x. This is sin 8x and sin 4x. Now come to the third. Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x. We have to prove this equals to 4 cos square x and sin 4x. Correct. Firstly, apply the formula for sin 2x and sin 6x. And write down 2 sin 4x as same. Formula for sin A plus sin B. This is 2 sin A plus B by 2 and cos A minus B by 2. That means in place of A we have to put 2x and in place of B we have to put 6x. Plus 2 sin 4x. Now we get 2 sin 6, 7, 8x by 2, that means 4x. 2x minus 6x, that means minus 4x by 2, we get minus 2x. And cos minus theta, again we can write cos theta, correct? 2 sin 4x. Now taking common 2 sin 4x, we get cos 2x plus 1. And we know that the formula for cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. By this identity, we get cos 2x plus 1 is equals to 2 cos square theta. So we can write cos 2x plus 1 is equals to 2 cos square x. 2 and 2 will be multiplied. We get 4 cos square sin 4x, which is right hand side. Correct. Now come to the next question, number 4. Cot 4x sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to cot x sin 5x minus sin 3x. Okay. Firstly, write down cot 4x is cos 4x upon sin 4x. Then apply the formula for sin A plus sin B. This is 2 sin A plus B by 2 and cos A minus B by 2. In similar manner, we have to prove right hand side also. Write down cot x is cos x over sin x, and then apply the formula for sin A minus sin B. The formula for sin A sin B is 2 cos A plus B by 2 and sin A minus B by 2. Correct? Now we get cos 4x over sin 4x. 2 sin 5 plus 3 we get 8x, and 8x by 2 we get sin 4x. Similarly, cos 5x minus 3x we get 2x, and divided by 2 we get only x here. Similarly, in right hand side, 2 cos 8x by 2, that means 4x, and sin 5x minus 3x, that means 2x by 2 we get x. So sin 4x and 4x will be cancelled out. Similarly, sin x and x will be cancelled out. We get 2 cos 4x and cos x only. In right hand side, we get 2 cos 4x and cos x. And this is left hand side and equal to right hand side. Correct? Now come to the next. Next question is, cos 9x minus cos 5x upon sin 17x minus sin 3x equal to sin 2x upon cos 10x. Firstly, we have to apply the formula for cos A minus cos B. The formula for cos A minus cos B is minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 and sin A minus B by 2. And formula for sin A minus sin B is equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2 and sin A minus B by 2. Just apply the formula. We get minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 and sin A minus B by 2 upon 2 cos A plus B by 2 and sin A minus B by 2. Now just solve it. What we get? Minus 2 sin 9x plus 5x we get 14x. Then overall we get 7x. 14x is divided by 2 here. Now 9x minus 5x we get 4x. 4x by 2 we get sin 2x. Similarly, 17 plus 3 we get 20 x over 2, that means 2 cos 10x. 17 minus 3 we get 14, that means sin 7x we get. Sin 7x and 7x will be cancelled out. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. So we get minus sin 2x over cos 10x. Correct? And which is right hand side.